First thing I want to talk about is poetry. Poetry, good poetry, all good poetry that rhyme has a tune to it. And you've got to find that tune to be effective. Now, tunes come in a lot of different deals. You don't want to put a boogie woogie tune if you're writing it. You don't want to put a boogie woogie tune to a sad ballad. You got to find the way, and there's so many ways to write. On clean night airs like it's bare, there spreads a mournful tune as old as blood. It flows and floods the world where cowboys croon. Winged by a fence when calf laments its mother's comforting, that brooding hum of grief becomes the sound a cowboy sings. Now, that sounds like it flows just, hopefully, without the dot, 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 dot. But think about it, it's on clean night air, 4. As light gets spare, 4. There spreads a mournful tune, 6. As old as blood, it flows and floods the world where cowboys croon. So that's a 4, 4, 6. And you'll find that if you can find that in a lot of poetry, that will help you come natural to finding the tune for the poem you want to write. There's infinite amount of different ways that you can do it, just like music. There's an infinite amount of tunes that have been and still to come. With just a very few notes, you can just keep varying them and come back.